Hi beauties, Maria here for Beauty Junkees, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Pro Detailer brush from Beauty Junkees. The Pro Detailer brush is a very soft synthetic brush with a pointed and tapered tip that makes it perfect for lots of detailed work. The versatility of this brush makes it perfect for contouring smaller areas of the face, around the nose, eyes, and lips. I will be demonstrating each of these for you in this video. Now, because this is a synthetic brush, it can be used with liquid, cream, or powder products. I will be demonstrating with powder products today. To start, I will dip the brush into a cool tone contour powder and top off the excess. Then start to sweep the brush on both sides of the bridge of my nose somewhat close together, creating the illusion of a slimmer nose. I will blend those lines all the way up to my brows, and this helps create a more seamless look. You will also see me bringing those lines to a pointed close at the tip of my nose for the illusion of a smaller, less rounded nose. Next, I will take the brush into a matte highlight shade just to further blend and diffuse those lines I created on the sides of my nose so they don't look too harsh. And lastly, for nose contour, I will take a bit of a shimmery highlight shade to highlight down the bridge of my nose and tip of my nose. This further creates the illusion of a slimmer nose. Next, you can contour your lips by adding a contour shade right under your bottom lip. This creates a shadow under your lip, giving the illusion of a more full and pouty lip. Adding a touch of highlight to your upper lip at the cupid's bow also further adds to this illusion. Another way to use this brush is to contour the eyes for a no makeup kind of look. Applying a contour shade to the crease of the eyes as well as lightly to the lower lash line can really add some dimension to your look without much work. I didn't demonstrate this, but additionally adding a subtle pop of highlight to the brow bone and inner corner of your eyes, which can also be done with this brush, can further enhance your look as well, creating a brightness and slightly lifted look to your eyes. And that's how you use the Beauty Junkees Pro Detailer brush. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.